guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this ICF coach over here. So let's continue with the details over here now. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go over here. We can see something over here for the window. So I'll just go over here. Let's take line over here. We are going with the details over here right now. So let's just click over here in this way. So if you want, I can just take a rectangle over here in this way and convert to spline. Select the vertices and let's give some fillet over here in this way. So let's give extrude modifier. So we'll just give extrude modifier over here. I'll just drag it in this way. Let's just press shift and click over here. I'll just duplicate it in this way for all. So this is like a window itself. Just I have shown over here that it is only a part of it, but it is a window. So I'm not showing the whole window right now. So I'll just create it in this way. So let's just do it over here in this way. So we have to copy this as well, and let's just place it over here in this way. So press again shift and make a copy of it over here. So let's just select this, shift and drag, slightly just push it inside. So I'll just duplicate it over here similarly. So let's just drag this out. Let's make this copy. So let's just again duplicate it over here, slightly just push it inside in this way. Now what I can do over here is like, once it is done, let's go over here, let's go with some details over here. So let's just take a box, just activate the auto grid over here. I'll just push it in this way. So convert to poly over here, select the polygon, let's click on extrude over here and let's just drag it a bit inside in this way. So what I can do is I can just duplicate that over here again make a copy of it over here in this way. So as you can see, let's go over here. You can create a chases over here. So I'll just go into this. I'll off this auto grid in this way. So let's just create something over here, convert to poly, select the vertices, just push this up over here, slightly push it down. Let's select this again and let's give two connects over here in this way. So once it is done, I can just go to the top view and let's duplicate it. Let's just drag it over here and let's attach it. Let's just attach it over here. Isolate the selection. Let's select this polygon and let's bridge it. Select this polygon. Let's bridge it and isolate this. Now I'll again go over here. Again I will take auto grid over here. I'll just create a bit of shape over here. Let's take a box over here. So just drag it in front. So push it over here in this way. So convert to poly. Let's again take a cylinder in this way. So we can just go over here, slightly increase its height, convert to poly, select the polygons over here, and let's give a bit of inset. So let's again extrude it out. So let's give inset, extrude a bit out over here. So we'll just scale it in this way. So what I can do is I can resize it more. I'll extrude it out over here and let's give a bit of bevel to it. So I can slightly just assign a bevel in this way. Again extrude a bit, go into this, modeling, let's take a swift loop over here. Slightly I can scale it if needed. I'll go into this. Slightly drag it out. So select this both over here and let's just duplicate it at the corner. That can be done. So later on what I'll be doing is I'll just mirror this. So we can mirror this all if needed later on. So I can just go into this, I'll just remove this nubs toggle, and later on if needed what I'll do is I'll just select this half of it in this way, and I'll just delete this. So select this and you can just mirror it in x-axis in this way. So that would be much easier for us to work out over here. So I can just go over here, so we can just push it very close. So select this border and let's bridge it. You can bridge it. So if this edge is not required, you can remove that. So I'll just go over here. You first just check this. If it's okay, I'll again save this. I'll go into this, drag it over here. So I'll just shuffle it accordingly. So we can just use nubs toggle again over here, and we can just smoothen this. So let's select the half part, select all this half part elements over here, and let's go over here. So it's very important that we still need to shuffle it a bit more over here. So now let's select this half elements over here, and I can just duplicate it. Oops, it's gone too much inside. So I'll just mirror it in x-axis. Let's just drag it. So I'll just push it a bit inside. Yeah, this is correct. So slightly, I'll again select this and I'll drag this out. So let's just press shift and drag it till here. Push it a bit inside in this way. So now you can see we have this on both the sides over here. So again I'll mirror it. I'll copy this over here in this way. So we have also created the chassis part over here. So now it would be much easier for us to work over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.